Raising money with School Fund Center is so easy. You'll wish you would have joined sooner. Your website manager simply places your Fund Center onto your school and/or district web pages to start displaying special offers from paying sponsors. When families click on your Fund Center, shop with a sponsor, or even just visit your website, your school or district earns money. It's that simple. One family can generate over $300 per year. No begging, no bake sales, no gimmicks. You choose the sponsors available in your area that you want included in your Fund Center. Parents view, click, and shop through your Fund Center when they visit your website. And your school or district earns money 365 days per year. Get started anytime you want. Keep track of your earnings at schoolfundcenter.com and cash out as often as once per month. Families already visit your website. Start turning those visits into cash to fund your K-12 needs year-round with School Fund Center.